Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Shopify theme settings with backup exports. To restore your Shopify theme settings with backup exports, begin by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the online store section found in the left sidebar. Click on Themes to view your installed themes. Find the theme you want to restore and click on the Actions button next to it. From the drop-down menu, select Edit Code. In the code editor, locate the Assets folder on the left side. Here, you will find the files related to your theme settings. If you have a backup export file, ensure it is readily accessible on your computer. The backup file should typically be in a .json format. Now, return to the Assets folder in the code editor. Click on the Add a New Asset button located at the bottom. Select the option to upload a file. Choose the backup file from your computer and click Open. Once uploaded, the backup file will appear in your Assets folder. Next, you'll need to replace the existing theme settings with the backup file. Locate the settings_data.json file in your Assets folder. Click on the settings_data.json file to open it. Select all the content in this file and remove it. Then, open your newly uploaded backup file with a text editor to access its contents. Copy all the contents from the backup file. Return to the settings_data.json file and paste the copied content into it. Make sure to save your changes by clicking the Save button in the top right corner. Now, your theme settings have been successfully restored from the backup. Feel free to preview your store to ensure everything appears as intended. If needed, make any additional adjustments to fine-tune your theme to your liking. And that's it, your Shopify theme settings are now restored. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.